Welcome back to Master Your Glass. I'm your host, Livio, and today's episode is really fun because we get to learn together. I have no idea what this is. I want to thank my friend Todd Ugolo for bringing me this product. He went to Japan, visited this beautiful sake brewery in Kyoto, and decided to bring me back this product. So I'm opening it now for the first time right here with you so that we learn together. Now, before I actually open it, by the way, how beautiful is this packaging? Very intriguing. Regretfully, I don't speak Japanese, so I'm gonna have to defer a little bit to the web and to the messages that I received. So my friend Todd says that this is Kagura brand sake since 1726. 1726. How old is that, right? Think about it, America was founded in 1776. This is 50 years older. It's called Tales of because the packaging is like a book and there is a story inside which you can read while drinking the sake. So there's the sake, awesome. There's the story. Sorry, my friends, I won't be reading that. Not because I wouldn't, because I don't know how to. Oh, this is probably the story right here. And sorry, I won't be able to read it, but how cool is that? What a great little tradition. Is there anything else in here? Oh, there is. Or not. There it is. Oh, just a beautiful card. Okay, so let's go to the website and see what this product is because, again, I'm a little intrigued. Okay, the brewery. Let's talk about the brewery. It's Komogawa Brewery, which brews the Kagura brand, is located in a place that is surrounded by 36 peaks of the Higashiyama mountain range and is rich in nature. Nearby are the Yoshida Shrine, the Shimogamo Shrine, which is a World Heritage Site, and the Kyoto Imperial Palace. And you can feel the breadth of its history here. At the same time, the educational facilities such as Kyoto University are in the immediate vicinity. Kyoto is also a renowned cultural and active city with all sorts of consulates and art centers and things like that. Kyoto is a very popular area where sake is brewed and even where Japanese whiskey is distilled, and I'm putting those words myself out there. Let's go ahead and try this product, but how historical is this product? I'm wondering if it'll give us a little story here. The equipment is in fact starting. The brewing process is done entirely by hand. However, we do employ modern methods such as temperature and hygiene control to improve the quality and the taste of the sake. Lastly, about 60% of our electricity is powered by an environmentally friendly solar power. Wow. I am going to put the link of this website in the description below so that you can read more about it. It obviously a brand with this much history has a lot to brag about, and rightfully so. But here we go. Now, I know a bit about sake, but this one here isn't telling me anything. Is it a junmai? Is it a regular sake? Is it a ginjo? Is it a daiginjo? None of that do I know. I know it's not a nigori because a nigori would have been a little cloudy. So I am just gonna go on intuition. This is what I love about Japanese products. This cap alone, this beautiful metal, is a work of art. Placed on a bottle that is way thick and just meant to last forever, to have other uses for it. So let's give it a pour and see what we see. I always find sake to have this slightly, I don't know, smidge of yellow tint to it. It's not straw, it's almost straw. And this sake does not strain from that. I get a lot of bubbles I don't know if there's a little residual sugar in there or some sort of fermentation that occurred, but as you can see, there's those bubbles there. By the way, really quickly, what is sake? It's basically brewed like a beer, but it's made from rice. It ferments in a different way using a mold called koji. Obviously, it does not have any hops in it and no carbonation, but it tastes a little bit more like a wine. So it's brewed like a beer, tastes like a wine. And I'm obviously butchering that. If you haven't tried sake before, please do go down to your local Japanese restaurant, order a nice product, ask for a recommendation. Do not get the flavored ones. Get the sake flavored sake. Ooh. It's definitely a rice product. I'm getting that sweetness of a cooked rice when it starts smelling or bringing up those aromas with a touch of sweetness. It's here. There's a lot of rice involved. But it's also got some tropical notes. It is not flavored. At least I don't think so. But it's got some apricot, peach, tropical aroma notes to it. And sweet. If I were blindfolded right now and did not know what I was smelling, I was gonna say, without obviously knowing the alcohol concentration because I didn't drink it yet, I would have thought it would have been some sort of a tropical low proof rum of sort. Oh man, oh man. This is Japanese elegance at its best. Really nice, beautiful texture, beautiful mouthfeel. Sake's always give me like a little bit of a backbone of butter. So it's got a nice little backbone of butter. By the way, who doesn't like butter, right? Backbone of butter, but then it gets into these really tropical, fruity. I'm getting a little apple, a little green apple, and pear flavors to it. Yeah, a lot of pear, a lot of pear, which is a common flavor found in sake, by the way. This is just delicious. It stays on the flavor for a while. It's long. And do you know what I'm really itching for right now? Sushi. I really am. I love how it's fruity, buttery elegance invites some nice tart flavors, some nice acidic and citrusy fish flavors wrapped around in rice and seaweed. What a beautiful product this is. One last taste just in case to see I didn't miss anything. Yeah, now the sip is leaning a little bit into the citrus as well. So nice little citrus notes. So just to wrap this up, the best way I can explain it, this is a beautiful sake from Kyoto. I'm getting some really nice buttery flavors, some really cool pear, green apple, and also some fragrant fruity flavors. And then I'm also getting a little bit of citrus, and I would definitely drink that with sushi, but I would also drink it without sushi. So I am happy and thank you for spending some time with me trying this really cool product. As I mentioned, I will leave the description below to my friend Todd Ugolo. Thank you for sharing the bottle with me. Thank you for flying all the way to Japan, going into this amazing brewery that's 400 years old, and thinking about me of all things and bringing me this bottle back. If you enjoyed this episode of Masterclass, please go ahead and give it a like, because on Masterclass, we talk about drinks and all those traditions that are tied to them. Thanks for watching.